Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're joined with Gaby Cardona, the Product Marketing Manager from Atlassian. Gaby, thank you so much for being here today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about Atlassian?
Yeah, absolutely. And thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it. So at Atlassian, really, we're focused on helping teams collaborate at scale. So we create products that can help you do things like track and manage your software development to cross-functional collaboration. Ultimately, we want you to be able to do your best work. And we offer two different deployment options to help teams get there. So first we have Atlassian Cloud, which is our SaaS offering, and then Atlassian Data Center, our self-managed offering as well. But for us, it's not just about the products, it's also about the people and the practices. So we also focus on building guidance and recommendations that we can share with all of you so that you can be successful.
Wow, I knew about Atlassian's products such as Jira and Confluence, but I had no idea that sharing best practices around working together is also such a big part of your business. And so for our viewers who aren't aware, AWS Quickstarts are cloud formation templates that automate the deployment of architecture. So Gab, why has Atlassian chosen to be involved in the Quickstart program? And what have you found to be the benefits for your customers?
Yeah, absolutely. So again, as I said, our job is to help you collaborate at scale. And so on the data center team, our self-managed offering, we had to really think critically about how to do that. How do we unlock collaboration for teams? And for us, it starts at the infrastructure level. And so we know a lot of times there's limitations in how self-managed products can be deployed, i.e. you have to be on your own hardware. And we didn't want that to be the case with data center. We wanted to be able to give admins that flexibility, that modernization option, while being in control of their security and compliance requirements. And so for us, the Quick Start templates gave us that flexibility. And so now our customers can quickly and easily deploy Atlassian Data Center products on AWS using the Quick Start templates with the pre-configured, most optimal way of deploying data center in a cluster-ready architecture. And so, we're seeing that admins are really able to truly scale seamlessly and take advantage of high availability if they need it, or get some of the native benefits from AWS, like that automation, some of the monitoring tools, things like that.
It really does seem that AWS Quick Starts can be a great option for customers looking to get started on the cloud without actually having to make that massive financial and time investment. So Gab, AWS Quick Starts was one of the big things that you did on AWS. But can you tell us a little bit more about what you've deployed since?
Yeah, absolutely. So as you said, quick starts are super easy. They're super simple to get you up and running, but most people already have an instance that they're using of Atlassian products. And so while the quick starts can help you deploy a brand new instance in data center, it didn't really solve the need to get data migrated over. And so we created a new marketplace app called the Jira Data Center Migration app, which, as the name implies, will help you migrate your data from a server instance to data center, all without minimal downtime. And we've built that on top of the Quick Start template. So you're going to get to have those pre-configured parameters all set up for you to have that most optimal deployment of data center. And that's just a start. We're gathering feedback on the app currently. We're trying to see if this is something we want to pursue with other products. We think so, but we want to hear your feedback to see if that's something that you would like. The other thing is we are looking at how to expand infrastructure flexibility. So we recently announced Kubernetes support for data center. So soon you'll be able to use our data center approved Helm charts and run data center on K8s. And as we've been building this capability, we've been really optimizing it on AWS because we know that customers are leaning that direction and AWS has so much to offer in the space.
It's amazing to see that you're building on top of the AWS platform to improve the customer migration experience for everybody. So Gab, where do you see the future of the relationship between both AWS and Atlassian going?
Yeah, so as I said, we're looking from a DCD perspective, we're optimizing all of our tests and stuff to run on AWS. So I continue to see that. I continue to see us optimizing more to continue to make that stronger. So for customers that are choosing to leverage AWS to host their products, they're going to see a tighter, more seamless experience. And then I think too, from an Atlassian cloud perspective, we've chosen to build the cloud platform on AWS. So regardless of if you're choosing data center or Atlassian cloud, you are going to get those native AWS benefits. And I believe we're going to keep seeing that more and more.
Well, we are so excited to be working alongside Atlassian on the joint mission of helping our customers. Finally, Gab, we've heard such great things about Atlassian and your work culture. So can you share with us a little bit about the work culture and your top tip for creating a fun and enjoyable workplace?
Yes, it is across the board. Atlassian is a great place to work, and we really do embody, I think, a great culture. I adore it. I think for me personally, and especially as we've been in a pandemic, I think it's just, we've given us space to be more empathetic teams. So being able to get closer to your teammates and understand, what their experiences are. And so I think a big thing that we've done here is prioritize taking time to just enjoy your team, just more broadly, laugh a little bit, just have a moment that doesn't involve software development. And I think that's really made a huge difference for all of us, being able to have that sense of camaraderie.
Gaby, thank you so much for coming on the show today. It was so fascinating to hear from you. And to all our viewers at home, we'll see you next time. Thanks.